In this video, I am going to discuss about the complementary angles, supplementary angles and the questions related to this. So, two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. From the figure, it is very clear that angle BOD and angle AOD are complementary angles as their sum is 90 degree. So, 30 plus 60 equal to 90 degree. Also in complementary angles, each angle is called the complement of the other. Thus, angle BOD is complement of angle AOD and angle AOD is complement of angle BOD. Now, supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. From the figure, it is very clear that BOC is a straight line. Therefore, the sum of angle AOC and BOC is 180 degree. That is 120 plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. Thus, angles AOC and BOC are supplementary angles. Also, in supplementary angles, each angle is called the supplement of the other. Thus, angle AOC is the supplement of angle BOC and angle BOC is the supplement of angle AOC. Now, let's solve some questions. So, question number 1. Write the complement angle of number 1, 45 degree. So, complement of 45 degree equal to 90 minus 45 equal to 45 degree. Now, next x degree. So, complement of x degree equal to 90 minus x. Clear? Now, next x minus 10 degree. So, complement of x minus 10 degree equal to 90 minus x minus 10. Again, before bracket minus sign is given, so all the sign inside the bracket will get changed, and so the next step will be 90 minus x plus 10. 90 plus 10 equal to 100, so 100 minus x. Now, next 20 plus y degree. So, complement of 20 plus y degree equal to 90 minus, again inside the bracket 20 plus y, and so 90 minus 20 minus y, and this is equal to 70 minus y degree answer. Next, question number 2, write the supplement angle of number 1, 49 degree. So, supplement of 49 degree equal to 180 minus 49 equal to 131 degree. Because we have discussed that supplementary angles means what? When the sum of two angles equal to 180 degree. So, we will subtract the given angle from 180 degree. Subpart 2, 111 degree. Supplement of 111 degree equal to 180 minus 111, and this is equal to 69 degree. Next, x minus 30 degree. So, supplement of x minus 30 equal to 180 minus x minus 30, and so 180 minus x plus 30 degree. So, 210 minus x. Next, 20 plus y. So, supplement of 120 plus y degree equal to 180 minus inside the bracket 20 plus y. And so, 180 minus 20 minus y equal to 160 minus y. Next, question number 3. Find the complement angle of 1 by 2 of 60 degree. So, first we will find out the angle of what? 1 by 2 of 60 degree. And then we will subtract the angle from 90 degree. Clear? So, 1 by 2 of 60 degree equal to 30 degree, and so complement of 30 degree equal to 90 minus 30 equal to 60 degree. Subpart 2, 1 by 5 of 160 degree. So, 1 by 5 of 160 equal to 32 degree, and so complement of 32 degree equal to 90 minus 32 equal to 58 degree. Subpart 3, 2 by 5 of 70 degree. So, 2 by 5 into 70 degree equal to 28 degree, and so complement of 28 degree equal to 90 minus 28 equal to 62 degree. Next, 1 by 6 of 90 degree. So, 1 by 6 of 90 degree equal to 15 degree, and complement of 15 degree equal to 90 minus 15, that is 75 degree. Now, next, question number 4. Find the supplement angle of subpart 1, 50% of 120. So, first we will find out the 50% of 120, and this is equal to 60 degree. And then supplement of 60 means what? We will subtract 60 from 180, and so the answer is 120 degree. Subpart 2, 1 by 3 of 150 degree. So, 1 by 3 of 150 equal to 50 degree. So, supplement of 50 equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. Now subpart 3, 60% of 100. So 60 by 100 into 100 equal to 60. And so supplement of 60 equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. Now next 3 by 4 of 160 degree. So 3 by 4 into 160 equal to 120 degree. And so supplement of 120 is equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. Now next question number 6. Two complementary angles are in the ratio 7:8. Find the angles. Then how will solve it? First, let the ratio be x. Since sum of complementary angles equal to 90 degree, so 7x plus 8x equal to 90 degree, 15x equal to 90 degree, and x is equal to 90 by 15, that is 6 degree. So 7x will be equal to 7 into 6, 42 degree, and 8x will be equal to 8 into 6, 48 degree. Now next, question number 7. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio 7:11. Find the angles. Again, we will solve. Let the ratio be x. Since sum of supplementary angles equal to 180 degree, so 7x plus 11x equal to 180 degree, and 18x equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 18, that is 10 degree. Then 7x equal to 7 into 10, 70 degree, and 11x is equal to 11 into 10, 110 degree. Now next, question number 8. The measures of two complementary angles are 2x minus 7 and x plus 4. Find x. Since sum of complementary angles equal to 90 degree, so 2x minus 7 plus x plus 4 equal to 90 degree, 3x minus 3 equal to 90 degree, and 3x is equal to 90 plus 3, that is 93, and so x is equal to 93 divided by 3 equal to 31 degree. Now next, question number 9. The measures of two supplementary angles are 3x plus 15 and 2x plus 5. Find x. Since sum of supplementary angles equal to 180 degree, so 3x plus 15 plus 2x plus 5 equal to 180 degree, and so 5x plus 20 equal to 180, and 5x is equal to 180 minus 20, that is equal to 160 degree, and so x is equal to 160 divided by 5 is equal to 32 degree. Next, question number 10. For an angle x degree, find number 1 the complementary angle. So complement of x will be equal to 90 minus x. Subpart 2, the supplementary angles. So supplement of x equal to 180 minus x. And subpart 3, the value of x if its supplementary angle is 3 times its complementary angle. So according to the question, we will write 180 minus x is equal to what? 390 minus x. And so 180 minus x is equal to 270 minus 3x. Again 3x will come this side, means left hand side. So 3x minus x is equal to 270 minus 180. And so 2x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. So the value of x is 45 degree.